Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to discuss the class registration schedule restriction. So here I have the class grid opened up on a member site, and in the tab next to it I have the administrative site opened up, and this is where we're going to set up the schedule restriction. Schedule restriction will keep your parents and students from registering for two classes that would be running at the same time. So you're going to click on the classes, which is on the left navigational bar here. And the schedule restriction is located under the settings for the class settings. Under the general tab here, we see restrict student schedules to ensure class registrations do not conflict. So if you want to have that on, you do want to have it checked off, which we're going to check it off. And at the bottom, we're going to click on Update General Settings to save our changes. Now let's see how that works on the member side. So we have a member whose child wants to take chemistry. So she or he is going to click on chemistry, and they're going to register Lily. Now, one of the things the member may not realize is that this class runs from 9 to 11 a.m., so it is a 2-hour class. So they may go ahead and register Lily for this class, and the registration was successful. But they also want to register for economics and government, which happens during the second hour, and it begins at 10. So remember, our chemistry class ran from 9 to 11. So it's still going on during the 10 o'clock class. So you notice Lily, her box is not highlighted, or it's kind of faded out. If I put my mouse over it, it's going to tell me that the class schedule conflicts with the existing registration. That's because Lily is registered for a class during this time. So it's going to prevent her from registering for that class. If you have any further questions regarding restricting the class schedule, please create a ticket on your admin homepage, and you can ask us a question, or you can even set up some training with one of our trainers.